Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kurt Babino Vlogs here, and today this will be the continuation or the day 2 of this Thailand trip of us. In this video, pupunta kami ng Jomtien Night Market sa gabi at hindi ko ma-expect na makarating si Mami sa amin sa Thailand mismo. At saka Jomtien Market kami bibili ng mga pasalubong. Today we will have our breakfast buffet here in Welcome World Beachfront Resort. And now here is our room. If you want to see our room again, you can see my background today. They are just fixing things. Nana is just fixing something outside the terrace before we go to the breakfast hall. Sorry if you cannot see her in the terrace door, because I think it's because of my camera. We are now going to the breakfast hall. Here is our resort in the background. It's so nice here in Welcome World Beachfront Resort in Pattaya. Here's the restaurant itself. Here is the breakfast hall. Wow, sobrang daming breakfast dito sa Welcome World. What's this? Sausage, ham, I think potatoes, beans. Here is my breakfast. Please allow me to eat first before I vlog again. And our breakfast is finished. Hi Nanay! Silipin lang namin ni Nanay yung beach dito sa Welcome World, kung white sand ba siya o hindi. Ngayon ay hindi kami magsiswimming. Silipin lang namin yung beach kung maganda siya. Ito yung beach, ito siya, parang hindi niya sakop tong Welcome World, parang part siya ng public beach. Hindi siya part ng Welcome World. Here is the public road. Ito yung Welcome World, napakaganda at napakalaki niya. Sobrang ewan ko kung white sand siya. Can you try spotting it if it's white sand? Dahil medyo may pagka-color blind kasi ako. Ito yung beach. Ulit, parang hindi siya part ng Welcome World. Parang public beach siya. Lahat ng resort, sinishare nila itong beach na to. Nakita namin ang beach. Ngayon ay babalik na kami sa restaurant. At saka eventually babalik na kami sa kwarto. I think mag-swimming kami bago mag-lunch, at pagkatapos nito, ayan, babalik muna kami sa kwarto para mag-iis muna, baka mag-swimming na kami. Welcome back, kaka-swimming lang namin. I forgot to get my phone and my glasses. So, kanina pagkatapos namin nag-swimming, dumiretso kami sa restaurant, tas na-realize ko wala yung cellphone at salamin ko, kaya bumalik pa kami dito sa hotel para kunin lang yung cellphone at salamin ko. Here is our food. This is my food: chicken wings, shrimp. I'm sorry, we take another picture using widget camera. We have right here squid, tom yum soup. What's this? Hi, Kuya Joshua. Hi, Rafael. Hi, everyone. Tapos na kami kumain. Ito yung restaurant ng kinain namin. You can see in the back of me. Ay! Tapos na kami kumain. Ngayon is babalik na kami sa hotel. Magpahinga na kami. Huwag mo na papakita. Go! Pasok! Labas mo yung pagkain ba niya? Pasen sa akin. First time. Remove glasses, please. After 2 years. After 2 years, mommy. After 2 years. Guys, I'm not expecting mommy is already here. Mommy, say hi to the vlog.
Hi. One eternity later.
Diretso na kami sa night market and mag-dinner na kami. Here is our family, mommy and Tita Visha, tatay. Hopefully si Tito L or si Kuya Joshua makabook kagad sila ng Grab papuntang night market. Welcome to Chomtian Night Market. Ngayon ay nandito na kami. I think mag-dinner muna kami, kaya lang wala pa sila Tita Visha. At saka dahil iba yung sakyan namin Uber tuloy Grab taxi, at saka nauna kami umalis, iba yung Uber tuloy Grab taxi nila Tita Visha. Here is, we have barbecue pork ribs. What's this? Meatballs. Hot dog. Mukhang masarap to. Here's the night market itself. I will not video ng masyado dahil nakakahiya. Madaming tao. Maganda naman dito sa night market. At saka, ano ito, mga tinapay. We're buying inhaler na ibigay namin at saka gamitin din namin. Don't mind their conversation.
Sobrang sikat ngayon to. Magkano ba ito? How much? We get
Bilihan ng mga pasalubong dito sa night market. Mga damit, mga bracelet. Guys, here is our dinner. We bought that from various stalls in the night market. I don't know what's this. We have sausage. Here is Tita Visha and Stacy and Tito L. We are done eating and buying mga pasalubong pa uwi dito sa Pilipinas ay ibibigay namin. Ngayon is babalik na kami sa hotel. Lalakarin lang namin at hindi kami mag-grab pa balik ng hotel. Lalakarin lang namin pumunta ng hotel para hindi lang mag-exercise kami, para makapasyal pa rin kami sa Thailand. I mean Thailand, tuloy sa Pattaya. We are now here in the hotel. Lakad namin 1.4 kilometers from restaurant na pinuntahan namin hanggang dito sa Welcome World. Napagod yung lakad namin dahil inisip namin maglakad dahil magmamasyal pa kami, tsaka hindi lang mamasyal kami. Good night! Hindi lang yan dahil sa para ma-exercise din kami. This ends my vlog and tomorrow bye Kuya Joshua, bye Tita Visha. This ends my vlog. Goodbye guys!